Today, let's make carbonara that breaks all the rules. It's going to be rich, smoky with the beef bacon, spicy. I've got a secret ingredient I put in for that spice, and it's going to have a bomb of umami flavors. Let's go. First of all, let me mention a disclaimer, okay? This is not an authentic carbonara recipe, and the inspiration came from Marin's kitchen. So when I saw her miso carbonara, I thought, damn, this is something I have to try. I'm gonna start off with 2 whole eggs with 1 additional yolk. To that, we're gonna be grating in some Parmesan cheese. There we go. So now we're going in with our miso. So this is what's gonna give it the umami. And now this crazy idea of putting gochujang in. We're going to need our black pepper, and I'll just be adding in about 3 tablespoons of cream. Grab yourself a fork and mix everything together. All right, once you get yourself this nice sort of smooth mixture, you can set that aside. Now we're going with our beef brisket. A little bit of olive oil, beef bacon in. Get that nice and slow, try and render out as much of that fat as we can. I've got my water boiling on the side. We're gonna salt the water. Spaghetti, use whatever brand that you like, in. Okay, now once you start to see some color, the beef bacon is sort of crisping up. Turn the heat off and set this aside. All right, once your pasta is done, turn off the heat and let's go in. Now we go in with our egg, miso, cheese and gochujang mixture. Toss all this together. Wow. I can smell the miso from here. Now you know that's going to be filled with a lot of umami. All right, now chopped Chinese parsley. And last but not least, some toasted sesame seeds. Okay, let's try. You've got the miso that gives you the umami that you don't usually get in a carbonara. Very fragrant bean paste. And then you've got the gochujang that delivers that sweet, peppery taste to this dish, combined with that smokiness from the beef bacon and the cheese, the eggs, the cream, that richness of a carbonara that it has. Absolutely delicious. If you are still watching all the way till now, you're obviously curious about how it's going to look like, and you obviously aren't offended by my actions. If you are, I'm terribly sorry. But if you aren't and you're curious enough, I hope you give this dish a try and let me know what you think, all right? As usual, thank you so much for watching. If you think this added value to you, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.